What is up, y'all? It's your boy, Panthers Food the South here, and we are here doing Tier Maker. And some of y'all don't know Tier Makers. Tier Makers are things that you can tier them of your own opinions. So today, what I'm doing is I'm doing the NFL version. And just want to let y'all know, for a warning, these are my opinions. So I don't know, I don't care what any of y'all says. So we're gonna start this video already, okay? Alright, good. First up, we got the Saints. The Saints are gonna be right here. I have a feeling with Derek Carr, doing something with the Saints. I think he's gonna be a good team. I think the Saints will be a good team with Kamara, Michael Thomas, and Chris Olive, and their defense are pretty good. So don't have anything for the Saints. Now the Dolphins. I heard that Jalen Ramsey got injured for until he'll be ready at December, which is gonna be a lot of weeks to miss. So I have a feeling I'm sorry, Miami fans. I'm sorry. Baltimore. Don't know. Probably right with the Saints. Next up is the Cincinnati Bengals. Well, there's no question. Playoff team, because you know why? Joe Burrow got injured. I don't know how long he's going to be out for, but I'm sure he's going to be out for long. This team will come back. Denver. They wouldn't be the worst team, but at least they'll be better the last time. I think they were like a 5-12 record. So, now the Giants. I'm not sure. Probably like a missing playoff team. Giants fans, y'all can hate me whatever y'all want, but that doesn't stop me from doing things. Vikings. Rams. The way y'all just let go OBJ and Von Miller, y'all just did them dirty, y'all. I just can't believe it. I just can't believe on y'all, so but there you go. The Bengals are literally the only one at top, but they won't be the only ones here. Tampa, Well, let's see if Baker Mayfield can handle the thing. Or let's just see if Baker Mayfield don't do the mistake with the Rams and the Panthers. Now Detroit. Now here's what's tough. We don't know what Detroit is going to make the playoffs or not because they have Jared Goff, but I know they got Garner Johnson, whatever his last name is, which he's a good corner from the Eagles. And yeah, so the Lions is gonna be at right here. Next up is Chicago. Now I wouldn't say they'll be right here, but y'all could be right here if that's okay with y'all. Niners. I'll say, oh shoot, didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all. Niners, y'all could be right here with the Bengals. Next up is the Eagles. They'll be right next to them. I wouldn't say Super Bowl contenders, but hey, at least y'all will head to the playoffs. Raiders. Not sure with Garofalo, because Garofalo's Garofalo, so manicure at best. Green Bay. I'm not sure about y'all, Green Bay, but I might put y'all right here. I wouldn't say y'all be the bad team, but at least y'all be alright. Commanders. Right there. Cardinals. I might go for y'all's first pick. I don't know what to say. Steelers. Y'all could be a potential wild cards. Because Nathaniel Hackett will never have a losing season. Bills. There's no question. But y'all ain't heading to no Super Bowl. Whatever y'all do, y'all still gonna get clapped by the playoffs. Either it's the divisional round or the championship. Either way. Falcons. Our rivals. Falcons. Let's just say I'll put the Falcons at a missing playoff team. I'm going to be fair for y'all Falcons. I'm going to be fair. Now, who's next? Seattle. The surprises from Seattle. What Geno Smith did, and Bobby Wagner's back. So, when Bobby Wagner's here, I'm certain the Seahawks will go explosive with him. New England. Y'all still ain't heading no playoffs. I don't care what y'all said. Y'all past the past. Y'all heading to the... This is no way y'all can come back and head to the playoffs. Cleveland. Texans. Don't care. Chiefs. Chiefs. It's the GOAT! The GOAT, really? Whatever. But anyways, the Cowboys. I guess I put them in here.
I mean, it's alright.
Let me put the Bengals. I'm gonna put them over there. Chargers. Despite from listening to the Jaguars, it's just
Why are we here? Just suffering.
Okay. Jets. I'm not sure with the Aaron Rodgers thing. I'm not sure what Dalvin Cook is gonna join them, y'all. Well, actually, I'm gonna be fair.
Why are we here? Just
Panthers. Now I know we're gonna thing I was about to do. Put it at the Super Bowl favorite. No. I'm about to be fair to myself. Put them right here.
I mean, it's alright.
Titans.
Why are we here? Just suffering.
Colts. I don't know. Maybe a missing playoff team.
Why are we here? Just suffering.
Jags.
I mean, it's alright.
So y'all, this is my whole tier list. So you got the Chiefs, Bengals near each other. Hold on, I might change it for a bit. Let me put the Jags on the playoff teams. Okay.
I mean, it's alright.
Yeah, this is good. So this is my whole tier list. Cardinals, Texans. I wish I could upgrade y'all offense and defense. Well, not y'all Cardinals. Bears, y'all lucky because y'all got DJ Moore, so Justin Fields don't have any problems looking for his receivers. So, yeah. Also, keep pounding y'all, and, I'll see y'all later.